What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update on my Kolpin plow that's on my 2018 Polaris Sportsman 570. So this is going into the third season, the third winter that we've had this plow. So it's been about like roughly 2 years or so since we first put it on. And I just wanted to do a quick video. We finally have a little bit of snow here in Michigan, not a whole lot, but I think I am going to go ahead and clear the driveway off. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys the plow and how it's holding up. If you're thinking about making this purchase, so far I've been super happy. The plow's holding up great, but let me get you guys in closer, have a look at the plow, and just see how it still looks. All right, so if we come in, we just look at the plow. Like I said, you know, we've had this now 2-ish years or so, going on the third season, and it's still holding up really well. I mean, it's got some dirt and crap on it just from sitting in the garage, but there's no rust. Whatever this powder coated finish is on this steel blade, it's still holding up really, really well. No rust on any of even, you know, the bottom portion here. All the bracketry is in great shape. You know, I couldn't be happier. I haven't had to do anything to it. I did when I put this on a few weeks ago, you know, when I just kind of clicked it back into the little pins down here, I did tighten up the bolts. There's like, I think 4 bolts holding it on. I just tightened them up just to make sure, again, I didn't have any issues, but the on and off on this thing's really easy. You just slide this whole unit underneath, and then there's a couple little, like, you know, cotter pin type deals. You slide those in. Easy peasy. Takes me all 5 minutes to do it. And then usually I just leave this on for the entire winter, but if you did want to take your ATV out on the trails, I mean, it's real simple to just pop those two out, and then you just disconnect your winch from the front, and that's all it is. So that's it. So not much to it, guys. I mean, basically this has been a great plow, especially for whatever I paid for it, a few $100. It was really inexpensive, especially compared to the Polaris plow. But if you remember, we did go with the Polaris winch, mostly because I do like the way that Polaris has their switch integrated into the handlebars. You know, it's OEM look, all that good stuff, versus some of the aftermarket stuff. But otherwise, the plow's awesome. No issues at all. I've been able to, you know, shovel 6-8 inches of snow, no problem at all. The thing works great. So right now it's flat. Usually I do give it kind of a little bit of a rake, but we got, you know, maybe an inch and a half of snow. So this is just gonna fly right through it. I'll be able to go 10, 12 miles an hour and knock this 500-foot driveway out in just a few minutes. Easy peasy. This is already kind of icy and stuff from overnight, but clears are pretty good. It's going to be above freezing in like a couple hours, so this will all just end up melting anyway. But yeah, again, pretty awesome plow, guys. No issues so far. You know, we'll do another video update next year, but I actually just was able to I did pop that up and just gave it a little bit of a rake to it again. I think I just had it straight for storage when I put it in my garage for the winter, but otherwise it's awesome. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. I'm gonna get back to work, get done clearing this driveway, and get back inside, get some hot coffee. So have a good weekend, guys. We'll see you on the next one.